So if you've gotten the Avata 2, you may have noticed that there isn't any charger included with it. I mean, DJI, please, come on, do better. Like, you should at least be able to include a charger with a $1,200 drone. Anyway, they don't include chargers, so you're gonna have to get one unless you already have a high-powered USB-C charging brick. To get the maximum charging speed, you'll need a brick that's rated at least 65 watts. DJI does sell a 65-watt charger, but it costs between $65 and $79 depending where you get it and if it's on sale. So instead, what I found is that you can get this little Anker 100-watt USB-C charger, and it only costs $37, but Amazon usually has it on sale for more like $27 or even less sometimes. And I've been using this charger with the Avata 2 and before that with the Air 3, Mini 3 Pro, all those drones for quite a while, and it works great. It charges the Avata 2 batteries up in somewhere between half an hour and 45 minutes. So if you want to save a cool $52 over the DJI charger, you can just get one of these. I'll put a link to it down in the description. Or another option is you can get one just like this, except one that has 3 ports so that you can charge your drone batteries, your goggles, and your controller all at the same time. And the version with 3 ports costs around $60, so not a whole lot less than the DJI charger, but you are getting 3 ports, which is going to make it a lot easier to charge all the parts of your Avata 2 kit. Now, when I initially shot this, you could get that charger for around $60, but now it costs more like $85, you know, just inflation at work. But you can get an off-brand one for around $25 that basically looks like it does the same thing. I haven't personally tested it, and it's not a recognized brand like Anker, so I can't 100% guarantee how well it will work, but I'll leave a link to that as well. And I'll put links to both the $27 one with just 1 port and the one with 3 ports down in the description. Anyway, other than the glaring omission of a charger, the Avata 2 has been a great drone. 100% recommend it. Super, super fun to fly. Great way to learn to fly manual FPV with a few more of those backup systems like the brake button, and also be able to fly in sport mode. And if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to gently tap the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.